Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
But एक बात मुझे आप बताइए जरूर कि we have seen, it's not something that I am saying right now. It's a given pattern, and it's something that we have seen earlier. कि people from the entertainment industry, when they find a partner from somebody, probably from somewhere, or someone who's not from the industry, those relationships work really well. They work really wonderfully, and it's just, I mean, there's no fixed pattern to it, but it's just that statistics say the same thing. So I want to know that where did you meet him for the first time, and I mean, how did things actually fall into place? I would request you to tell us as much as you want to tell. There is no pressure.
Uh, um, we met in Switzerland in 2016 और मैं इधर यूरोप में I was actually supposed to go to Spain only because we were having one of the award functions over there in Madrid, but IFA basically, and I was supposed to perform and I was nominated. और फिर हमने सोचा that my friends girls and my brother like late brother, we planned to do this backpack trip in Europe. कि चलो हम लोग भी जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा कर लेते हैं, and निकल पड़े. And Switzerland was the first stop, and I chose Mike's one of the houses, Airbnbs, as to stay. I booked one of his chalets, and he just came by to say hi, hello to everyone. After his work from another mountain, and that's when he met me for the first time. And all he saw me was a very frustrated and agitated girl because I was handling my other friends, and my brother and I were having some kind of tip off. It was crazy. So that's how we met for the first time. Uske baad, I don't know, something probably clicked. I think he liked me first before I even realized. Or my brother, my friends, they were singing horrible old romantic songs. वो भी romantic मतलब कैसे रहे वो क्या? भूल भी गई मतलब, seriously shady songs, they were shady romantic songs they were singing. Whenever I'll have a chat also with Mike, they will in the background. So anyway, I think everybody kind of felt our thing, and that's how it started. I gave वापस. I got the award fortunately that year, and then I was supposed to go to Ibiza and all that, but मैं वो सब cancel कर I came back to Switzerland because I fell in love with the family here. I fell in love with the alpacas and llamas, the animals here, and I just fell in love with the place. And then I think Mike and I had something going on, so that's when I think दोनों ने इधर कर लिया प्यार का.
Wonderful. एक कहावत है कि the best things in life are the ones which are not planned. So you had a certain plan from Switzerland से लेके एक कहीं और जाना, but that sudden change in plan, and you see where you are today. Wonderful.
Definitely the plan was not to get find a boyfriend and then get married. It was definitely not the plan, that's for sure. Yeah.
But better late than never, and we are all happy to hear this wonderful news when it came out, and congratulations to you on that once again. You told me this one thing that you got that award that year, and would you like to comment on which song you got that award for that year? I'm not really. Which year was it?
2016. Was it the Momo ke thage or Savarlu?
It's your award.
I do not remember what I got. Either of these two songs I got.
Okay. I have a request from a fan, actually many fans out here, and basically the request is basically for two songs. तो दो लाइन करके अगर आप गा दोगी तो वो बहुत हो जाएगा अपने फैंस के लिए. One is Zara Zara Touch Me, which is absolutely a rage. I was in school, and I remember one of my classmates, she used to like a guy, one of my friends. And that song was really a rage at that point of time, and she was a fantastic singer. So in between, during the class, she started singing that song, for that guy. So I'm not kidding. That was the rage, and I would say the intensity and the popularity of that song, and it still goes today. So no wonder we are getting the request for that song even now. No line of that song, please.
But before that, I want to request everybody who is right now live with us, please go and check my new single. It's been composed by Kaushik and Guddu, and it's written by Shlok Lal. And I've directed the video, and the fantastic DOP that is Shiraz Bhattacharya. And go check it out and let us know if you like it or you do not like it somehow. Whatever you feel, please let us know in the comments. And yeah, lots of love. Now I'll sing Zara Zara Touch Me.
Yeah, please.
कितने दिनों बाद किसने request किया ये? I mean, recently only, like, I have not been singing this song in my concerts also. So yeah, anyway, I'll sing it.
You know, it's just magical whenever you sing it. 2 line भी चलेंगे.
Yeah. Oh, बिन तेरे सनम इस जहान में बेकरार हम डम डम डम, बिन तेरे सनम इस जहान में बेकरार हम. Oh, zara zara touch me. Oh, zara zara kiss me. Oh, zara zara hold me. Oh, zara zara touch me.
I think in entire Katrina Kaif's career till now, probably this is that one song which got the recognition for the female singer a lot more than Katrina herself. You know, it's not just me who says that. A lot of people say that. You know, this is probably the only song in Katrina Kaif's career jahan pe the voice behind the song has got more attention than the actress herself. So I think that's
nice of you to say. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Now it's time for Mo Ke Dhage. I know I'm making you work a lot, but then it's just for your fans.
Sure.
Yeah.
These are my favorite lines from the song. The Mo Ke Dhage ka. तू होगा जरा पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना. तू होगा जरा पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना. कैसे तूने अनकहा सब सुना. तू होगा जरा पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना है. तू दिन सा है मैं रात आना, दोनों मिल जाए शामों की तरह. ये मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे. कोई टोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिरहा ये सुलझे. Thank you.
You know,